Hello, everybody. My work is related to developing solutions so that we, common people, you and I, can change how we live so that we can live more climate friendly. And in this regard, the solutions that we have developed are making our cooking energy from the waste in our neighborhood. So for the past 4 years, I have not been using LPG, but cooking on the waste which is generated by my neighbors. So we have developed a small biogas plant. The science of biogas has been known for several decades now. It's just that it has not come into our houses to actually solve the problems that we are facing. So that is what we are trying to do. The second solution that we have developed is we make human waste biogas systems. That means our toilet output, which today goes into the sewage lines and unfortunately enters our rivers, much of it untreated, and human beings, it could have been one of us, enter the sewage lines to clean them. And accidents happen and some of them lose their lives. This is the way in 21st century we are managing our waste, human waste, wherein in fact it can also, energy can be harnessed from it also, and the liquid is actually water which can be directly used for our gardens, for growing, for irrigating. So that's the second solution we have developed. And the approach with which we are working is, fortunately, I got exposed to this idea of systems change. So we study the system in which the problem exists and the different stakeholders which are connected to that problem. So in the case of waste management, the biggest stakeholders are the sanitation workers. In my city, for example, people, human beings again, it could have been one of us, collect waste from our houses. However, neither do they make a decent living, nor do they have respect in society. So we work with them and we skill them, train them to operate small biogas plants. By this change, they become energy suppliers rather than being just sanitation workers. So my cooking energy did not come 2,000 kilometers away from, say, the Gulf from where we import LPG, but it came from 100 meters of my house and it was supplied to me by the sanitation worker in my neighborhood who now earned the value of the gas that they supplied to me, which is 10 times of what they would earn had they simply collected waste from my house. So this is a livelihood-oriented approach to waste management.